Deep inside a vast North American forest, where tall pine trees scrape the sky and rivers cut through stone like quiet truth, animals live by an unspoken rule: survive, but don't cross the balance. At the center of this forest lived Rex, a powerful gray wolf. He wasn't the strongest wolf ever born, but he was clever, dangerously clever. Rex knew how to manipulate situations, how to let others do the hard work while he took the reward. He smiled when others struggled and stayed silent when help was needed. Early on, Rex learned one thing: fear works faster than respect. Nearby lived Milo, a hardworking beaver who spent every day building dams, repairing broken paths, and keeping the river steady for everyone: deer, birds, rabbits, even wolves. Milo didn't ask for praise. He believed that good actions had their own reward. Rex noticed Milo's work. The strong river currents that Milo controlled made hunting easier for wolves. But Rex never thanked him. Instead, he took credit. When the pack praised the easy hunts, Rex stood tall like it was all his doing. Over time, Rex began using others the same way. He convinced the foxes to gather food for him, promising protection he never truly gave. He scared smaller animals into silence, threatening them with sharp words and sharper teeth. Whenever something went wrong, Rex pointed a claw elsewhere, and it worked for a while. The forest began to change. Animals stopped helping one another. The rabbits hid. The birds stopped warning others of danger. The deer moved farther away. Milo noticed the river growing unstable. Without cooperation, cracks formed in the dam. Milo warned Rex. "The river needs work," he said calmly. "If it breaks, it'll flood the lowlands. Everyone will suffer." Rex laughed. "Worry about your sticks and mud," he growled. "I'll worry about power." Milo said nothing more. He simply returned to his work. Then came the storm. Dark clouds rolled in like judgment. Rain fell hard, pounding the forest without mercy. The river swelled, roaring louder than any wolf ever could. Milo worked all night, fixing what he could, calling for help. But the animals he once supported were gone. Tired of being used, tired of being scared. The dam cracked. Water exploded through the valley, tearing trees from the ground, flooding hunting paths, destroying shelters. Rex tried to escape, running toward higher ground. But the same shortcuts he once used to dominate others were now washed away. The foxes didn't guide him. The birds didn't warn him. The deer didn't slow the current. Rex slipped, injured, stranded on a small rock as the flood surrounded him. From a distance, Milo watched. He could have ignored Rex. No one would have blamed him. But Milo believed in balance. With effort and risk, Milo guided a floating log toward Rex, giving him a chance to survive. Rex grabbed it, shaking, not from cold but from realization. When the storm passed, the forest was quieter. Not broken, just reset. Rex survived, but his power was gone. The animals no longer feared him. They didn't attack him either. They simply stopped following him. Rex watched as Milo and others rebuilt together. Not out of fear, but trust. For the first time, Rex understood something he had ignored all his life. No claw, no roar, no shortcut escapes consequence. Karma doesn't rush, it waits. And when it arrives, it's exact. So friends, karma never fails. It may be silent, but it never forgets. Those who rise by using others eventually fall when no one stands with them. Power gained through fear fades, but actions rooted in truth always return, multiplied.